there they are. All right, we got body work pretty much done. Installation of handrails, but we do that after it's all tested and lit and working. Let's take a look. So we went with the green and black reflectors. When you see them from far away, they're pretty stunning from across the room. And that would be appropriate. That green and black would be good on this U36C. It's got a pretty neat look to it. We got our dry brushing on here. It's toxic waste spill. Oops. And it does glow in the dark. It runs down here, and then it's got a glow in the dark coating on it. It's pretty neat in the dark. And then we gave it a big bathtub. Great big bathtub. Same with the U25. This stuff also glows in the dark, running down the side to our little pool here. Big bathtub. And they look pretty good. That green really turned out. I didn't know what to expect with it since I'd never used it. But following the method, I'd have to call it a success. These guys are looking pretty good. They look pretty nice. They're actually going to be really cool once they're all out in operations. And they're going to get lit up with some fiber optics. And we'll have some cab lights and stuff. Probably have to do green ground effects on this one. That's pretty sweet. All right, next we'll have to get to it on the mechanical now so we can see these things run.